Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to re-download deleted apps on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the App Store. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account section. Tap on the Apps option. Go to Not on this iPhone section. Here, you will find a list of all the apps that you have previously downloaded but are not currently installed on your device. Find the app that you want to re-download and tap on the cloud icon with an arrow pointing downwards. And this is how you can re-download deleted apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.